Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Anna and today we are playing with some very cool tones. I have got this blush from Maybelline. This is one of their Sun-Kissed blushes in the shade Blazing, and it's just this softest baby pink blush that when I saw it on the display I was like, whew, that's so unique, and it definitely stood out from the rest of the blushes in the collection. Because they're kind of like blush bronzy highlights, like they're kind of multifunctional products. So I think this one's geared to be more of the highlighty of the selection. Like it definitely has a glow in it. Anyways, I wanted to be able to look around it today. And I also have this new lipstick from Maybelline as well in the shade Witty. This is one of the vinyl inks. So I wanted to do something incorporating these and play with some cool tones. So that's what we did today. With all that being said, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this makeup look and talk about some super cool tone, just glowy, ethereal blush. Hey guys, okay, so today I just want to do another little cool tone look, and I want this one to be kind of focused more on this blush from Maybelline. This is one of their Sun-Kissed blushes in the shade Blazing. Yes, Blazing. Even though this does not look sun-kissed or blazing, it is a beautiful, soft baby pink blush and very pretty and glowy. I want to kind of have that be the star of the show, and this lipstick that I picked up also from Maybelline. This is one of the vinyl inks, and this is in the shade Witty, and it's just a really pretty mauve shade. So yeah, I thought these two would go really nicely together for a look, and I thought we could use I Need a Nude. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I got most of my face on. Basically everything but eyes and blush and lips and mascara. So what I have on the face already is MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light, the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint, Clinique Chubby Stick, Flawless Brightening Pen, NYX Buttermelt Bronzer, and All Butted Up, and for setting powder, the Wet n Wild finishing powder here. Essence powder, whatever it's called. So that brings you up to speed. I am actually going to start this look on the eyes here with a Jane Iredale crayon in the shade Rose. I feel like that would just be a pretty one to go with. So I'm going to take that onto the lid as a bit of a base. I'll take some of this on the lower lash line as well. Okay, that actually looks really nice like that, doesn't it? Right, so now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into the shade called Stone, right up here. Whoop. Right up here. And start to run that through the socket line. Yeah, that actually is really pretty. Something very just soft and everyday. Easy peasy. There you go. Those two together. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Tinder, which is just a deeper taupe from within the palette, right here, and put some of that on the outer corner, I think. Add a little bit of depth right here. Put a little more stone, just buff right there. And I'm gonna take some more of Tinder right here. All right, and then at the lash line, I'm going to take a angled liner brush and we're gonna go into the shade Silhouette. It's this one right there. Put a little bit of that right at the lashes. All right, we're gonna kind of soften that a little bit and let that diffuse. Now I'm going to take the shade called Mia. Just really pretty one right here. This is one of the Wet Effect shades. This is gorgeous icy pink. And I'm going to just pat that raw here. And a little bit into the inner corner there. Very pretty. It's like I don't use this shade enough. Thinking just a bit more silhouette. Just right there, very softly. Barely touching my lid. Just grazing it. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the inner corner, this Mia shade. Right there. The waterline, I'm going to take some of Quartz Clean from NYX. Okay, wow, that was quick. That's the eyes done. I'm going to curl my lashes and throw on some mascara. And we're going to use some of the Maybelline Firework Mascara because I think I'm coming around to this one. We'll see. I got to really clean this brush off. If I'm very careful with it, it's alright. It's a very clumpy mascara. It's like I always have to kind of comb it out at least. Blush. This is such a pretty blush. So pretty. So I like to apply them with a kind of a stippling brush, foundation brush, something like that, like a buffing brush. And I don't like to go straight in with the applicator like this onto the face. To me, that can disrupt your foundation, get a little messy. Sometimes it'll make splotches. That's just with any liquid blush like this. That's my recommendation. So what I like to do, take this, do this, and you can use any sort of stippling brush, foundation brush style thing, anything like that. I like to use the e.l.f. ones a lot, the like e.l.f. buffing brush. Then we can just kind of tap it on. Oh my god, isn't that beautiful? It's like the perfect baby pink. Like just baby pink. It is so soft and sweet. If you are pale like myself, this color is just gonna be stunning on you. It's very like angelic looking. It's beautiful. It really is. And it's really different than anything I have in my collection. I don't have any colors like that. I am definitely branching out with my blushes lately. I got a bright, very vibrant, cool pink blush. Now this color too. We're having a moment with blush over here. And yes, I will be doing a ranking of all the liquid blushes that I've been trying lately, because I've been trying a lot of them. There's like one or two that I haven't gotten my hands on yet that I want to try from the drugstore. So it's going to be a ranking of drugstore liquid blushes. Here's e.l.f. is the only one I need to still get. And this one in particular has the most beautiful glow in it. It's very like brightening. And I like to make sure I kind of bring a little bit like around here. You diffuse it out. Right onto the nose. And really making sure it's worked into the skin. Oh, that color. Oh yeah, and I love that this one has a lot of glow to it, whereas the other Maybelline one I have, City Sizzle, doesn't quite have this much kind of juiciness to it. It's beautiful, but it just doesn't quite have this level of glow to it. So yeah, this one is very, very glowy. Like, so this one's beautifully glowy, but it's not emphasizing texture. Like, it just looks very smooth and soft on the skin. Like, these definitely have an airbrush quality to them. And another thing about these liquid blushes is that I find them to be quite long wearing. They definitely set down and go to like a powdery finish. And they seem to wear quite a long time and be pretty just good throughout the day. Yeah, this color, I mean, that's so sweet looking. I just love it. I just love it. Okay, let's do the lips. I'm going to do just a little outline very gently with the NYX ColourPop. I'm going to do a little light lining with the ColourPop Lippy pencil in Control. No, this is not the one I wanted to use. Whoops. Control is not it. The Lippy pencil in Boys Town. Now we're going to go in with Witty. It's one of the Maybelline Vinyl Inks. Perfect color for today. Here is today's look all complete. I just really wanted to create something soft and pretty that is centered around this beautiful blush. And I'm obsessed with it. This is such an unlikely shade for me to fall in love with. I'm not usually one to go for like this kind of color. There's something about it that is just so brightening and like lit from within, just glowy, that it looks very like angelic. And I'm obsessed with it. I think it's gorgeous. And something like I Need a Nude is kind of just the perfect palette to go with for a blush like this. It just ties in so well, especially the Mia shade. Oof, and those nice soft taupey colors. Yeah. 10 out of 10. And the lip blush combo. These two, perfect together. This has that little bit of depth, so it kind of brings in a little bit of oomph to look a little bit of depth, but you could definitely go with like a softer, lighter lip and it would look so pretty. What if we put a little bit of this on the center of the lip? Let's try that. Here's your whip bits. Yeah, it kind of just softens it up a little bit. I think these two make a really nice combo and just very pretty. Very pretty. I can't get over the blush. I'm so sucked into that blush shade. And yeah, I'm definitely branching out with the blushes lately, trying some new colors and seeing what works. And this one, this is a favorite right here. I am loving that. Let me know your thoughts down below on that kind of shade, and what do you think of these liquid blushes. And I will have a video coming up soon of a kind of a ranking of all the drugstore liquid blushes that I've been trying out lately and how they kind of stack up with one another and compare on a price point, quality, performance, all the things. And we'll kind of see what's what with those. But I'm definitely having a moment with the liquid blushes. I'm loving them and I think they look real pretty, real pretty, especially this color. I'm just having a moment maybe with like different blush shades in general, like kind of branching out. So it's the summer of blush for me. Anyways, let me know your thoughts down below and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye now.